Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan converted into a first call vehicle by K2 Products. So this vehicle has 73,500 miles. It is a 2017 front wheel drive. However, as you can see, it is dressed up beautifully and in excellent condition. Black exterior, black and tan interior. It is fully converted, so it's a full tuxedo vinyl top. Does have this chrome molding all over the body. Does have removable vinyl rear window panels, so the rear windows open automatically with a switch on the driver door. And these slide on and off like door cards, nice and easy. Lower rocker chrome added to this vehicle as well, along with that silver pinstripe. Vehicle looks to have almost brand new tires put on it from the previous owner. This vehicle has not gone through our reconditioning process just yet, so if you notice any blemishes, those will most likely be touched up when the vehicle is actually for sale or sold. Currently it has four-way purple strobes in the front grille. You can see those on the walk around video that was done right before this. They can be changed out to anything at the time of sale, just please note that. Black vinyl top, tuxedo vinyl top, everything is powered. It does have a folding 8-roller Madagascar table in the rear. That was also put in the vehicle by K2 Products. Beautiful table. It does allow you to fold the front section back on top of the rear section and pull up those Stow N Go seating, and that can also be seen on the walk around video along with in the photos to follow. Black leather interior. So this is a high trim option Dodge Grand Caravan. It does not have cloth. It is black leather. Once again, just a shot of that beautiful 8-roller folding Madagascar K2 Products floor. Rollers are offset to the right, that way you can recline the driver's seat as much as possible to fit any sort of driver for this vehicle. Very nice to have. When you fold that table on top of itself, so when you fold the front section back onto the rear, it does reveal an aluminum flower tray. That way you can use that for flowers or any other odds and ends at the funeral home, and it easily slides all the way out to be able to clean off on the floor. This table can be fully removed if you do not want to use it for funerals or removals, and these third row of seats pops right up from the floor. So multi-purpose vehicle, can be used for a wide variety of items. However, it is set up currently to be an absolute workhorse of a first call vehicle. As I can show you, power everything, power doors as we open that passenger door on the side. Black on black exterior with a full vinyl top, which is something we do not get very often. The previous owner of this vehicle put a decent amount of mileage on it, but took excellent care of it. As you can see, the body looks fantastic. We did not buff this vehicle out. This is exactly the way it came. All we did was a quick exterior wash and interior cleaning. As you can see, that Madagascar floor, really nice shape. It does have a few little blemishes like the trim on the right there. Those will all be dressed up and fixed for the time of the sale. But as you can see, that driver's seat is reclined back farther than the passenger. That way you can just fit any type of person as the driver in this vehicle. So what's nice about these Dodge Grand Caravans is it's a black interior, black leather interior on all the wear items, whereas all the rest of the panels are a light tan to give you that nice two-tone. So it really dresses up the interior of this van, along with the gloss black accents. Seats wise, for both the driver and the passenger, you have a black leather seat with a suede interior, so just once again more fancy or fancier on the interior. All of the seats, even this section right here, excellent shape. There's no rips, there's no tears, nothing. For 73,000 miles, this vehicle was extremely well taken care of. So one more thing that we didn't mention in the walk around video, and I want to make sure we mention here. So these rear Landau panels are completely removable, and I just want to demonstrate here in a couple seconds how these come off. So you start the process with this button here on the driver's door. So what you do is you pull up on it and it pops the rear windows open about 2 inches. And if you push down on the button, it sucks them back in 2 inches. But once you pop them open, you'll see this little gap here. I would say it's roughly 2 inches. All you have to do is grab these two Landau pins and slide it right off. So that way in 30 seconds or less, you can have both of the rear panels off. Come back in here, push the button down, it sucks the window right back in, and no one is the wiser on the outside of this Caravan. That way, if you ever wanted to transport passengers for outside of the funeral home or on the weekends, or even use for the funeral home without having this Landau panel on, They can be popped on and off within 2 minutes, and even less once you do it once or twice. I just wanted to show the overall ability for this vehicle to transform into multi-purposes for the funeral home. Sitting inside this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, you can see nice leather wrapped wheel. It does have a telescoping column along with tilt. Very standard for these vehicles. Once again, those black leather seats with the suede centers. Very fancy for a removal vehicle. This is one of the nicer trims you can get in 2017. Tan console, black dash, nice two-tone combination. Black floor mats, so everything stays nice and clean. Tan floor mats do not last long in the funeral industry, so we try to stay with the black floor mats. You have automatic headlights on the left. You have your cruise control on the right in this vehicle, which is different than the traditional Cadillacs. And then you have a couple media controls on the back of the steering wheel. Shifters are located right here on your right. Radio-wise, AM/FM satellite radio along with the CD player. It does not have Bluetooth, however, you can swap this out for a doubled-in radio and add Bluetooth in the future. Dual-zone climate control down below here. No heated seats or anything like that. You do have your rear air controls if you had a set of passengers in the rear, either in the second row or the third row. A couple sets of power down here for cigarette lighter power. Nice convenient drawer to both cover that one and this one. It does have a USB plug here to plug in your phone, along with an auxiliary port to plug a 3.5mm jack. On this vehicle, it is equipped with 4-way LED strobes in the grille. The switch to kick those on is located right over your left knee. It's just a toggle switch. The light illuminates when the strobes are on. Traditionally, it would be up here. However, in this conversion, K2 likes to put it over your left knee. It's just easier to get to with your hand on the wheel. Other than that, no rips, no tears, no scratches, no nothing in this interior. There's not even a stain on the carpet, and we didn't even go ahead and shampoo these carpets yet. So you can just see the overall craftsmanship and the overall care of the previous owner of this vehicle. Once again, only 73,000 miles, still very young for this 2017, but overall extremely clean on the interior. Thank you very much for taking a peek at this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan with 73,500 miles. Once again, front-wheel drive vehicle, black on black with a black and tan interior. It does have a folding Madagascar removable table with those 8 rollers offset to the right to allow you for the driver compartment to be any size human being. This vehicle will not last long, as it's our only Dodge Grand Caravan currently with a full vinyl top and a black exterior. They're extremely popular for removal vans for funeral homes. So this vehicle, once again, will not last long. So please give us a call at 800-229-5008 or visit us at parkspear.com to see 80+ photos of this vehicle, along with another walk-around video demoing the folding of the floor along with the Stow N Go seats in the rear. Thank you very much.
Nice.